Hey, I'm Alice from Xrp, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy a product from a Coca-Cola amateur vending machine using digital assets. First, you're going to need to download the Silo Smart Wallet.
Welcome to the Investors Trading Academy talking glossary of financial terms and events. Our word of the day is Xetra. Xetra was formed in 1997 and has about 250 participants. Mostly brokerages, dealers and market makers in 19 countries use Xetra, which is an electronic trading system for stocks, bonds, warrants, ETFs and other securities. Xetra was one of the first global electronic trade systems and has grown to account for more than 90% of all stock trades on the Frankfurt Exchange. In addition to opening up the German markets for increased foreign investment, it's currently being used by stock exchanges in Ireland, Vienna and Shanghai. About 900,000 securities can be traded on the platform, which is more than any other system. Xetra is an all-electronic trading system based in Frankfurt, Germany. Launched in 1997 and operated by the Deutsche Börse, the Xetra platform offers increased flexibility for seeing order depth within the markets and offers trading in stocks, funds, bonds, warrants and commodities contracts. The Xetra system was originally created for use on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, but has expanded to be used by various stock exchanges throughout Europe.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family. It's a very imperative time we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. So guys, I want to thank those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon. Much love. Also those who purchased the book, Cryptoteacher and WO book. And of course, guys, we get into cryptos first. Bitcoin right now, of course, is flat. Basically, we do have some altcoins that got a little leg up. Of course, that's on a daily basis, but majority of the actual crypto market is flat. Just like I stated, guys, by the end of this week, we should be over 10,000. We know the institutional investors come in on the weekend. We have been flat. Now, we know next week what happens. We have BOC. So when BOC comes, we know that we dump either a few days before or a few days after. So that's why I said we should hit over 10 and then get a little leg down. But basically, guys, we do have let's go over Ripple and XRP. Basically, we see the XRP ODL has been flat down. Guys, make sure that you are hedging yourself. I've been over this several times with XRP and Ripple. Make sure you're hedging yourself with the moves that Ripple is making. So therefore, you're making money. If you're just sitting on XRP, you're not making any money. But the fact is that basically, if you purchase MoneyGram when I told you to, it was like $1 or something. I don't know the exact amount, but now it's over $3. So you basically would have close to tripled your money. So guys, you have to diversify yourself. All these Ripple XRP guys, that's all they talk about is the same crypto. But the fact is, guys, make sure you are diversifying yourself. Most likely, they're getting paid to tell you that. Guys, diversify yourself, so therefore you're making money. The game in any asset is to make money. Not to fall in love to a crypto thinking that's going to make you a millionaire. That makes no sense. Invest, trade, make your money. Especially look at the stock market. You could have been the worst, didn't know anything about stocks and made money with this rise. I told everybody to get in. I gave you the stocks to buy. I even told you what cryptos to buy because crypto market was down at the time also. But the fact is that if you in the stock market and you purchase those stocks, you went over 3 and 4 times earnings. So guys, make sure that we are looking at making money. That's the game. That's the game that we're in. Now basically, of course, we have R3 saying a comment on Twitter that, of course, the crisis has caused digital currency to come into forefront. We have Congress going to be holding a meeting on the digital dollar. That's all planned, guys. Basically, of course, they're the stage with the audience. So all this is planned out. So just like I stated, we should have a Bitcoin ETF by end of summer, going into fall. And then we also have Ethereum going at it with DAO again. So the fact is that renaming it LAO is like a limited liability organization. We know Ethereum is going to be the beast. It's definitely going to be the most used blockchain. Now, getting into the videos that you just watched, of course, basically we have Xrp that allows you to pay with over 100 assets using your crypto wallet. We also have Xetra electronic trading market, ETC Group, a London-based investment firm, is set to list the Bitcoin exchange product, the ETP, and the ETP is nothing but an exchange traded product. It is similar to ETFs. So guys, like I said, basically we definitely see Bitcoin coming into the limelight. Now, of course, getting over to the stock market, as we can see, the Fed is meeting today. So, of course, right now the stock market is down. Once Fed Chairman Powell speaks, of course, we always get a left. Nothing ever fails. Now, we did get less money when it comes to the repo, so we probably stay steady. Nasdaq hit an all-time high, guys, 10,000. All these people out of work. As you can see, the stock market keeps going up. Now, if you're paying attention to the large corporations, you see it's starting to be more and more consolidation. So that means you're going to have more and more layoffs, and I'm talking about the good jobs, the six-figure jobs. You're going to start seeing those jobs starting to actually lay off towards the end of this year. That's why I said get ready, get your finances in order. Basically, as far as with the China deal, we don't hear anything else about that. Basically, we have the Economist magazine saying that NATO is, of course, getting ready, for China. Now, basically, of course, Fauci predicted this C word, and of course, basically, they shut down the planet because of it. And of course, we're at the state that we are now. Of course, this has changed the course of future forever. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Don't forget about your cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. If you're new to cryptos, your stocks, the chip stocks, your banking, your Kobo, the gaming stocks. Remember, guys, gaming is going to be big. Everybody's sitting at home. Don't forget about those stocks, the C word, the biotech stocks. Also, because everybody is sitting at home, getting a check, doing nothing. What are they doing? They're drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.
Hey, I'm Alice from Xrp, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy a product from a Coca-Cola amateur vending machine using digital assets. First, you're going to need to download the Silo Smart Wallet. Then select